There are a few strong signals about what's next with AI. According to Eric Schmidt, Google's former CEO, AI will soon be able to handle much larger amounts of information and actually iterate itself, constantly improving its abilities in a given role, not just a single task. And as this happens, I believe we will have to double down on the most essential job we have as leaders in learning, and that job is all about context. Context is king. Our primary responsibility as leaders is to ensure that all the energy invested in creating a learning program aligns with our organization's vision and meets our learners in the context of where they are now and what they want for themselves in the future. But as AI speeds up, what comes next? Well, no one can be sure yet, but I'm a believer in revisiting your fundamentals in a moment of wild change. If it turns out that soon an AI agent can learn everything about the design and the production of a course, it can read all the research, it can check out great examples, it can build interactives, it can populate and QA the LMS, and even critique its own work, even if some of this is true, our roles will radically change. What would this mean for us? It means we'll have to stay on top of the strategy, the meaning, and the why of what we're doing. We need to make sure that all that computing power is aimed at hitting the right target. And that target always, and 100% of the time, is context. The context of the organization and what it wants, and the context of what our learners deserve. This means more talking with internal stakeholders about their varying needs, more review of learning data, more talking with actual learners. The future may be powered by AI, but the heart of impactful learning will always rest in our ability to understand and respond to the deeper context of what we do.